Hey guys, today, let's learn how to disable location sharing on your iPhone without letting of them know. So if you guys want to go ahead and disable the location sharing on your iPhone device without letting the other person or other people know that you have disabled location sharing. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Okay guys. So this is gonna be a pretty simple tutorial, because we could actually just go ahead and enable our airplane mode too. Well, not let anybody else know that we have turned our location off. This is gonna be just a temporary fix, because turning our airplane mode on will also turn off our Wi-Fi and all of our network capabilities. The one more method that we can actually do in order for us to solve this issue is to go ahead and try to adjust the location settings. So what I want you to do from here is to go ahead and launch your settings application, and then from here, let's go ahead and choose our location settings. So just do a quick search of your location and tap on share my location over here, and can actually go ahead and turn this software. Doing this well, let other people know that you have turned your location off. So what we need to directly do is to go ahead and tap on our privacy and security settings, tap on location services, and turn this one off. And basically, that's all for this video, guys, or work it. What you could also do is to go ahead and locate error, find my application, set it to never, and that's gonna also turn off your location without them knowing. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.